Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Java Shapes Part 1, Circle Class. In this tutorial, we will explore how to create a simple circle class in Java. This class will represent a circle in a 2D space and provide basic functionalities such as calculating the area and circumference of the circle. Step 1. Setting up your Java environment. Before we start coding, ensure you have a Java development environment set up. You can use any IDE such as intellij IDEA, Eclipse, or even a simple text editor with command line tools. Step 2. Creating the circle class. Class definition. Let's start by defining the circle class. The class will have a private field to store the radius of the circle and will provide methods to calculate the area and circumference. Code example. Here's how you can implement the circle class. Explanation of the code. 1. Private field. The radius variable is declared as private to encapsulate the data. This means it cannot be accessed directly from outside the class. 2. Constructor. The constructor initializes the radius of the circle when a new circle object is created. 3. Getter method, getRadius, returns the value of the radius. This allows controlled access to the radius. 4. Area calculation. The calculateArea method computes the area using the formula \pi r2 \. 5. Circumference calculation. The calculateCircumference method computes the circumference using the formula \2 \pi r. 6. String representation. The toString method provides a string representation of the circle object, useful for debugging and logging. Step 3. Testing the circle class. Now, let's create a simple main method to test our circle class. Testing code example. Explanation of the testing code. 1. Creating a circle object. We create an instance of the circle class with a radius of 5.0. 2. Printing radius. We print the radius using the getRadius method. 3. Calculating area and circumference. We call the calculateArea and calculateCircumference methods and print the results. 4. String representation. Finally, we print the string representation of the circle using the overwritten toString method. Step 4. Running the code. To run the code. 1. Save the circle class in a file named circle.java. 2. Save the testing code in a file named main.java. 3. Compile both files using the command line. 4. Run the main class. Expected output. Conclusion. In this part of the Java Shapes tutorial, we created a circle class that encapsulates the properties and behaviors of a circle. We implemented methods to calculate the area and circumference and provided a simple test to demonstrate its functionality. In future parts, we can extend this tutorial to include other shapes like rectangles and triangles, and explore inheritance and polymorphism in Java. Feel free to modify and experiment with the code. Happy coding!